Okay, guys. Hello. Good morning, everybody. This is your teacher, Miss Money. So today activity is going to be reading. So please pay attention, listen to your teacher carefully, and don't forget to follow the reading with your magic finger. Are you ready now? So let's start. I can read. Going batty. Mrs. Not fourth grade class walked to the library, just as they did every afternoon. At the door, their mouths dropped open. Hanging everywhere were bats, upside down, black bats. It took a few seconds before they realized that the bats were paper. "Why all the bats?" they asked Mr. Egan, the librarian. Mr. Egan laughed. "We had some excitement this morning," he went to explain. "The day started quickly. I checked in some books. Then the kindergarten class arrived for a story hour. They sat in a circle while I began reading Stella Luna. Remember that story? It's about a little fruit bat. Well, suddenly the children yelled, 'Stella Luna! It's Stella Luna!' I really love when kids get excited about the story, but this was ridiculous. Then I saw they were pointing up. A bat had gotten into the library. I was able to trap in a box and take it outside. The kids made paper bats to take its place. The fourth graders looked around hopefully, but there were no bats, no real ones anyway. They all sighed. Sometimes little kids have all the luck." Very good. Now you have to answer on your notebook the skill and the strategy. Write the questions on your notebook and write the answers. Don't forget the color called purple for reading. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.